Hello everyone, on today's episode, I made a discovery. Now, I've been in Vietnam for quite some time now. I've eaten hundreds, if not thousands, bowls of pho since I was a kid. I even made a comparison video about pho, but that's not important. Today, I am trying out the northern style pho for the first time ever in Da Nang, Vietnam. And boy, let me tell you,
That's different.
different was correct. If you're new to my channel, I travel across the world for good adventures and better food. What is pho, you might ask? I'd say pho is the national famous dish of Vietnam. You can find it all over the world. And I'm here right now in Da Nang, Vietnam. I found a place where they put a twist on a dish and serve it northern style. What's the difference? Let me tell you. Pho is a traditional Vietnamese noodle soup consisting of broth, rice noodles, herbs, and meat, typically chicken or beef, but it's known for its rich beef flavor and aromatic broth.
So this was a restaurant, Pho, and this is northern style pho, northern style. And this is the dude who invented this. You know what? If KFC's logo gets replaced by this guy, I wouldn't be mad. And this is Da Nang. Da Nang.
Da Nang is located in the central part of Vietnam. I did a little bit of research and found out that this restaurant serves a mix of northern and southern style pho, with their signature dish coming in at under $5 a bowl, leaning towards a northern style but still incorporating a slight southern twist to suit the local taste buds.
Alright, so the pho is coming. Okay, so the pho is coming right now. Oh, there's an egg in it. That's different. Oh. Yep. This is really different. I've never had pho with a poached egg before. I've never had that. As you can see here, there's an egg in there. There is a soft poached egg. I want to say it's a poached egg instead of pho. I've never had that before in my life. And this is some type of meat. I've never seen it pho either. And it has like spicy oil. There's some green scallions. There's the mud pho, which is the rice noodles, and then there's a well done flank brisket. And there's also rare beef. Yeah, this is really different than what I'm used to. Really different. All right, let's give it a taste test, shall we? Let's give it a taste test. Okay. Oh, that's different. Well, first off, I taste the layer of oil on top. Now that this isn't necessarily a bad thing, but the broth is a little bit more oily. The broth is also more, it's savory, but not too salty. It's like less beef flavor, right?
Yeah.
Less beef flavor, savory.
It almost tastes like
Different, I don't know. I want to say it's like
the Chinese beef brisket noodle with all pho. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
It almost tastes like a mix of that and pho.
If you want pho satay, this is very close. It's very close. So I feel like it's less of a beefy pho flavor, and then put a little bit of satay oil and satay like sauce on top. Just sprinkle it up. That's what it is. But it really tastes different. It tastes different. I'm not used to the. You know what? This is the stir fried up beef. This is the stir fried up beef.
We got
So-
the house special. If you, I think if you don't want the satay or you want the oily, the different, the beef brisket chunks, There's just regular pho
So-
for 60K.
This stir fried up beef is basically. I've tasted this before. I don't know what it is. It's kind of like. I want to say it's. Oh, you know what it is? It tastes like baka, which is like beef stew. It tastes like the beef stew beef, and tossed into a pho broth. Yeah. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is. Yeah, that's correct. So it's the beef cubes from stew beef, Vietnamese stew beef, placed inside a pho. That's probably what made this. That's probably what made this red kind of like satay sauce, because if it's like baka inside of like a beef stew pot, put the stir fried up beef into the pho, this would make sense. This would make sense why it looks like this. There's definitely a new type of pho that I've never seen before, and I've eaten quite a lot of bowls in my life. Would you call this a Da Nang style pho? I don't know.
Leave a comment if you know.
Now let's try one thing. I don't like poached eggs inside of soup. I don't like it. You gotta do a one biter. You know. The egg tastes like a poached egg. That's all I can say. I don't really know the significance of poached egg in soups. I'm not a big fan, but hey, it's what it is. What it is. It's quite different. If I had a suggestion, I want a little bit more beefy flavor. It tastes like, if you were to compare this to like a coffee, the rich beefy flavor will be our dark roast. This would be like a light roast. It's rich, but not rich in that beefy flavor that you're used to if you're drinking dark roast. So that's the comparison. But it is good though. But it is pretty good. So not bad at all. It's different, it's unique. And yeah, my rating for this, honestly, the uniqueness scores it high. The taste is okay. It's not bad. It's not amazing, but it's above average. So I've definitely had, this is not bad. It's not bad at all. I would give this a 7 out of 10. I'll give this a 7 out of 10. That's a generous 7 out of 10. It's not quite a 6.5. I will give it a 7. 7 out of 10 is a very, very, very reasonable and very fair Phi-nex TV score rating. So leave a like, subscribe, and let me know. Let me know in the comments below if you've had this type of pho before. This is my first time. My first time trying this type of pho. I've never ever seen a poached egg inside pho before. So I've had pho before. I've had pho bacon. I've never had a poached egg in my pho. That's a first. That's a first. I don't like poached eggs in soups. So, well, on to the next one. Let me know.